limited hangout. Some kinds of priority thoughts will modify your brain with power. So that you will have more of those thoughts. Neuroecologists would say that's niche construction. Alter ego personality fragments are full human personalities, but repetitive niches with goals. Niches will often act against other aspects of our superego, full personality conscience. Mental loop niches are like agency, consciousness continuum cells behaving as their own sub-being, patterns within a cognitive medium. Butterflies translate their previous caterpillar 2D memories into new, transformed 3D lessons, but old memories persist despite massive changes to the old brain structures with entirely new bodies born from cocoons. Some memories persist between bodies. Exact memories are less important than survival of deep life lessons, which means reinterpretation during the Ingram transition. What this means is minds can be remapped onto new sensory motor architecture. So despite self-destructive mind loops, we can rewrite our mental patterns even while our genes